In this video, I will show you how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket on PC. So let's jump straight into it. So it is absolutely possible to play the new Pokemon TCG Pocket game on PC. Now you can actually do this using something called BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator. So what that basically means is it allows you to play Android games on your PC. What I will do is leave a link in the video description down below, and if you actually click onto that link, you're going to come across to a page like this. As you can see, we've got this blue button here which says play Pokemon TCG Pocket on PC. So what you're going to want to do first is give this a click, and that's going to download BlueStacks onto your PC. Once that's downloaded, click to start the installer for BlueStacks. Then what you can do is agree to the terms of use and start downloading and installing BlueStacks on your PC. Here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, it's currently downloading and installing. So why exactly would you want to use BlueStacks to play Pokemon TCG Pocket? Well, of course, the main benefit of playing on PC with BlueStacks is you're going to have a much larger screen. As well as this, BlueStacks does offer a much better performance and additional features that you wouldn't actually be able to access if you was playing on a mobile device. So, of course, playing on a PC does give you a better performance because BlueStacks is going to use your computer's hardware, such as your CPU and RAM, which is going to be a lot more powerful than on a mobile device, therefore giving you a better FPS, smooth animations, and overall a much better in-game experience. Now, in addition to this, is, as mentioned, a range of features that you can use with BlueStacks which you cannot do on a mobile device, such as remapping keys to your preferred preferences, and even gamepad support for a number of different apps and games. Also, there is a multi-instance feature. So what I mean by this is you can actually have multiple instances of BlueStacks running. So if you wanted to play a number of different games at one point, this is something that's actually possible to do if you've got BlueStacks installed on your PC. BlueStacks is completely free to use, you don't need to pay anything, and what's great is it does sync with your Google account, so anything you do on BlueStacks is going to reflect if you go onto mobile and continue playing your game. So here we are, as you can see. Now BlueStacks is just finished installing, and what it's going to do is take you directly to the installation page for Pokemon TCG Pocket. So at this point, just go ahead and click the blue install button. If this is your first time using BlueStacks, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account, and of course by doing this, it's going to sync that across all your devices. So if you start playing on BlueStacks and then start playing the game on a mobile device, you won't lose any save data. It's going to carry across. As you can see, Pokemon TCG Pocket has now finished installing. We've now got the blue play button. So you can give this a click to open up Pokemon TCG Pocket, and we're just going to give this a second or two to load through. So here we are, as you can see, running Pokemon TCG Pocket. What we can do is just give this a click to start this up. And of course, if this is your first time playing, you're going to have to create your account. As you can see, we're just downloading some additional data. Now we can make this full screen, as mentioned, to give you a much bigger screen. And if you look to the right hand side, we've got a number of different things we can do. As mentioned, for example, we've got the game controls here, so we can remap the keys or add an external gamepad if there is compatibility for that game. We can also do things like record our gameplay and take screenshots, as well as a number of different features available, as mentioned, on BlueStacks, but which probably wouldn't be available on a mobile device. Now, as you can see, the gameplay is very smooth. It runs really well. So we're just going to skip past this bit. And as you can see, we're now here on Pokemon TCG Pocket. So we can just go ahead and create our account now. So I can use my keyboard and just use the mouse to click around, just like so. And here we are playing the game itself. So as you can see, as mentioned, it does run really smooth. The game runs really well. You can see there's literally no lag at all. It's really smooth, even on the animations. And that is how you can go ahead and play Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC. So as mentioned, I will leave a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and click that link, that's going to take you across to the page where you can go ahead and start downloading BlueStacks, installing that, and then playing Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC. Now, with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.